First of all, we are gonna go and create an index.js file in the same folder where our package.json file is. And we are gonna go require or import depending on what we use as a type in package.json. So if we use common.js as a type, which is the default option, then we have to use require moment and store it in a constant called moment. And if we are using type as module, then we can use import and from syntax. So we are gonna use the type as module and use import statement to import moment library. By default, moment library provides a top level function, which is the moment function, and if we call that function, it will return moment object, as you can see on the screen. We can pass argument to this method as well, and we can also change different methods available in the library depending on our requirement. First method that we are gonna chain in moment function is format method, which returns the local timestamp, as you can see on the screen. In the format method, we can pass different argument in single or double quotes. So first argument that we are gonna pass is 4 times capital M, which returns the full name of the current month, which is December. If we experiment with this argument and pass 3 times M, then it will return short form of current month, which is DEC. If we pass 2 times capital M, then it will return the months in 2 digits format like 01, 02, 03 up to 12. And if we pass 1 time M, then it will return single digit formats of the months like 1, 2 and 3 up to 12 in the string format. And if we want the number, we can use parse int method available in JavaScript to get the number representation of it. We can use capital M maximum of 4 times. If we experiment with this a little further and try and pass 5 or 6 times capital M, then it will add it to 4 times and treat it as 1 and 2 times capital M after 4 times respectively. So it will return full name of the current month for 4 times capital M, and it will concatenate the value depending of how many times we use capital M after that. So if we use 1 time after that, then it will return December 1, December 2 and so on. If we use 2 times capital M after 4 times, then it will return December 01, December 02 and so on. For 3 times it will return December DEC, and for 4 times it will return December, and this process will be repeated. So unless you want this value, you do not want to pass more than 4 times capital M. We can also pass capital M small o for getting which month is it, like whether it is first, second or third. So this is December, so it will return 12th, as you can see on the screen. Now we are gonna pass capital D, which represents day of month or day of year depending on how many times we use it. If we use it up to 2 times, then it will return day of month, and if we use it more than 2 times, then it will return day of year. So let's see this in action. To see the difference between the two choices, we are gonna add some days in moment and then use format method on top of it. We will explore add method later. For now, we are gonna add 5 days, and now we can test our implementation. As you can see in the code that we are passing 1 time D, then it returns the day of month in 1 digit format like 1, 2, 3 to 31. If we use capital D 2 times, then it will return 2 digits format like 01, 02, 03 to 231st. We can pass capital D with a small o, which returns which day is today, like 1st, 2nd or 3rd to 31st. Now if we pass capital D more than 2 times, like 3 times, then it will return day of the year in 1 digit format like 1, 2, 3 to 365. And if we pass 4 times, then it will return 3 digits format of the day of the year like 001, 002 to 365. We can pass 3 times capital D with a small o to get which day is it of the current year like 1st, 2nd or 365th. If we use small d instead of capital D, then it represents day of week and returns the format based on how many times we use it. If we use it 1 time, then it will return number of weekday from 0 to 6, in which 0 stands for Sunday and 6 stands for Saturday. If we pass 2 times, then it will return 2-character text format of the current weekday, like SU for Sunday, MO for Monday, and SA for Saturday. If we pass 3 times, then it will return 3-character text format of the current weekday, like SUN for Sunday, MON for Monday, and SAT for Saturday. If we pass 4 times, then it will return full text format of the current weekday, like Sunday, Monday to Saturday. We mainly use 2 or 4 digits format. So for capital Y, we are gonna use 2 and 4 digits, since 3 digit is like a repetition that we saw in month format, and 1 digit gives the same result as 4 digits. If we use 2 times capital Y, it will return 2 digits format of the year, like 22 for 2022 and 23 for 2023. And if we use 4 times capital Y, then it will return the 4 digit format of the year, like 2022 and 2023. If we use small y, it will return the full digit format of the year. It doesn't matter how many times we use it. And of course, many times means not more than 4 times. For hours, we can use capital H or small h. Capital H returns hours in 24-hour format, but from 0 to 23. And small h returns 12-hour format, but from 1 to 12. And the process works the same as we saw in earlier cases. If we pass 1 time of small or capital H, it will return 1 digit format of it. And if we pass 2 times, it will return 2 digits format of it. Similarly, we can use small m for minutes and small s for seconds. With these values, we can use small a or capital A for getting AM or PM in small or capital respectively. We can use these to make complex timestamps depending on our needs. We will work on these in next video.